Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Dead Rising Deluxe Remaster game crashing on your PC or crashing on startup. Guys, first you have to check you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. If you have it and if your game is still crashing, so let's see how we can fix it. Now right click on it on the task manager and you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys, first you just need to close all the background processes you are seeing here because this process is consuming a lot of CPU or the RAM on your PC, so you just need to close it. Then go to the startup and here you just need to disable all the background applications you are seeing here, because when you start your PC these applications start automatically without your permission and causing the lot of CPU or the RAM usage. So you just need to disable these applications, then launch the game and then see your problem is fixed or not. I recommend you to restarting your PC then check. Now the solution to fix this problem is update your graphic driver. Now the first step is to ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. Visit your graphic card manufacturer website, Nvidia, AMD, Intel, and download the latest drivers to fix the problem. After that, just restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution to fix this problem is verify game files. If you are playing on Steam, verify the integrity of game files. Right click on the game in your Steam library, select properties. In the local files, click on the verify integrity of game files. Steam will check for missing or corrupted files and replace them. Now the third solution to fix this problem is run the game as an administrator. Right click on the game launcher or the exe file. So just open up the Steam, go to your Steam library, then just click on the game which is the Dead Rising. Then just click on the gear icon, go to your game properties. Now here just go to the install file, then just click on the browse options you are seeing on the top. And now here just right click on your game launcher or the game exe file where it launches. So once you right click on it, you will see the properties. Just click on the properties on the last, then just go to the compatibility. Now here just check this box of the compatibility mode and just choose here the Windows 8. After that, just also check this box of the disable full screen optimization and also check this run the program as an administrator. Then just apply the setting, then just click on OK, then launch the game, and I hope this fixes your problem. But if your problem is still not fixed, then lower in-game graphics settings. Set the graphics setting to a lower level, texture quality shadows, anti-aliasing. This can reduce stress on your system and prevent crashes due to high resource demand. Now check. Now the fifth solution to fix this problem is disable overlays. Disable software overlay like Steam, Discord, GeForce Experience as they sometimes conflict with the game. For Steam, go to the Steam setting in game and check enable the Steam overlay. For Discord, go to the setting overlay and turn it off. Now check. Now the solution to fix this problem is disable background application. I already show you how you can disable background application in the task manager, but the next solution is go to the Windows setup with the privacy settings. You also need to disable the background application from the privacy settings. And once it was open, now here on the left hand side, just scroll down, click on the background apps and also turn it off because this application also consume a lot of CPU or RAM. Now the next step is to set high performance power plan. Go to the Windows setup here, the power plan, and it will appear on the top. So just simply open it. Now here just click on the power option you are seeing on the top, and here on the left hand side just click on the create a power plan, then just select the high performance power plan for your PC, then just click on the next, then just create it. If you have the laptop, then just select the balance power plan. Now the A step to fix this problem is check for Windows updates. So you just need to make sure that your Windows is completely up to date. Go to the Windows set, type in the Windows update and simply open it and check for any kind of available or missing updates. If you have any kind of available update, then just update it, then just restart the PC, then check. Now the 10th solution to fix this problem is just reinstall the game. If all else fails, then uninstall and reinstall this game. This can fix any corrupted files causing the game to crash. And I hope one of the solution fix your problem, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one, and bye bye.